Hi, Neely Nathan with Expert Village. Desserts. Everybody loves dessert. You can get a whole food into a dessert preparation. Why not try plain Greek style yogurt with some strawberries or figs or some walnuts, and you will get your calcium and you will get some good vitamins, and it's natural, no preservatives, no additives, no dyes. Another thing that if you are going to the bakery and you're having some company and you want to entertain, so instead of your chocolate cake or your carrot cake, why not pick a fruit tart like I have here? It has peaches and apples and strawberries and raspberries, and it's a good alternative, and it'll make everybody in your family happy. Just some good ideas. The other thing is, instead of soda, I try to get natural lemon flavor sparkling mineral water, and I keep a lot of this in the house, and keeps my family from drinking soda.